Assalamualaikum guys, how are you? I hope you're doing good. And today in this video I will show you a full review of the latest build of the MSM extended ROM, which is the official build as you can see here, and its version is 7.0 and its Android version is 10. Its security patch is 5 March 2020. So without any further ado, let's get started. Let's review the ROM. So the ROM is pretty stable and there is no any single bug or issue. The UI is also working smoothly, but sometime you will feel some lags, but they are not a major bug or issue. They can be fixed by flashing custom kernel like Drona kernel, and the overall performance of this ROM is good. Everything is working fine, and the launcher, we have launcher. Then we have widgets, arrange pages, and then we have styles and wallpapers. In the styles we have only one style. You can create your own by clicking on the custom button, and we have a lot of font styles in here. Then you can change the clock style. Then you can also change the desktop and avatar grid. From the wallpaper we only have this wallpaper. You can also install live wallpaper from my previous videos. They will work perfectly on your device. Its overall performance and app opening speed is also good. As you can see here, it is opening the apps quickly. I have installed all my application and they are working fine. Sometimes the Gcam stop working, but don't worry, you can install any third party keyboard. And in the camera we have simple camera. You can install any Gcam from the link in the description. Now let's dig into the settings. In the settings, first of all we have the search bar, and then we have the at a glance and some recommendations, like they are looking really nice. Then we have the extensions. Here we have all available customization. First of all we have the customization of hardware buttons. Here we have settings of volume rockers. Then we have the docker but room. From here you can manage ambient display. Here we have always on display, which is working good. Then you can make changes in ambient display. After it we have these animations and battery style. You can change the KOS battery style. Then you can change the status bar, battery icon, battery percentage, and you can enable or disable the battery percentage on charging. Then you can make changes in the clock settings, carrier labels, status bar weather, status bar icon, which is really looking nice as you can see here. From here you can change its style and its position. It really looks nice. Then we have this battery bar. After it we have the gestures. In the gestures we have OSIP gestures. In the OSIP gesture we have jump to camera, system navigation bar. From here you can change the system navigation bar settings, like you can also check advanced options, and you can also enable the full screen gesture. It will hide the pill and you can get the seamless full screen display. Then we have the prevent ringing. After it we have this swipe 3 fingers to screenshot and some double tap to sleep gestures. After it we have the lock screen. From here you can make changes in the lock screen UI, music visualizer, and then we have the navigation bar. You can turn it on or disable it. Then we have the notification. From here you can make changes in the heads up and edge lightning, which is working fine. You can also change its light view to solid or faded. Then you can change its color, and you can also enable in-call vibrations. After it we have the power menu. From here you can enable or disable buttons for the power menu, advance, restart. Then we have the quick setting. Then we have status bar setting. From here you can manage the status bar items, network indicators, and some icon settings and some notification settings. Then we have the system settings. Here we have some advanced settings like suspend actions and etc, And in the extra options we have gaming mode, which is the advanced gaming mode, and then we have the rounded corner and some animations, wake on plug, vibrate on plug, unplug, and this type of settings. After it we have the apps and notifications, battery. The battery performance of this ROM and battery backup of this ROM is also good. And here we have battery saver, adaptive battery, and smart charging. After it we have the display. From here you can manage the brightness, night light, which is working fine. You can change its intensity, and then we have the adaptive brightness, which is also working good. And after it we have wallpaper options, screen timeout, screen attention, rotation, and lock screen settings. Double tap to wake on lock screen, which is also working good. Screen device cutout, game driver preference, which is working good. And in the font sizes we have a lot of font sizes, and in the display sizes we have 5 types of display sizes. Then we have the theme room. In the theme room you can change the theme style to light, Google dark, colorized dark, baked theme, baked green, choco x, and pitch black. I will use the choco x. And from here you can change the accent color, and from here you can change the gradient color. This ROM supports the gradient on accents, as you can see here, which are working really beautifully. And from here you can change the gradient color. The default uh, accent color is green, and now I will change the gradient color to yellow, and let's see how it looks. It takes 1 to 2 seconds after changing, and it looks really nice. After it you can change the headline body font. I will use Google Sans. Then you can change the icon shapes, and then we have this status bar icon. I will use filled. Then we have the sound. The sound quality of this ROM is also good, but we don't have any sound technology in this ROM. So you can, from here you can manage the vibrations and haptic, and here we don't have any sound enhancer, but still the sound quality of this ROM is good. We have live captions and some options to manage sound. Then we have storage, privacy, fingerprint, security. In the security, the fingerprint of this ROM is working pretty laggy. Sometime it just take 1 to 2 seconds to unlock your device. I don't know why this problem is happening, but it can be fixed by installing custom kernel like Drona kernel, so don't worry. After it we have the smart lock, but we don't have this face unlock. Then we have accessibility, digital well-being system. In the system we have languages and input date and time, backup, reset options, multiple user developer options. And sometimes the default Gboard crashes. You can use any custom or third-party keyboard. From the about phone you can check the MSM extended information, change logs, and device code name, firmware information. And its Android version is 10. Its extended version is XQREL v7.0. Its security patch is 5 March 2020. You can install any custom kernel in this ROM. So the ROM is pretty stable and recommended for daily usage. So if you want to install this ROM, just download the ROM from the link in the description. Reboot your device into any installed custom recovery. Go to wipe everything except the internal storage and SD card. Now go to install and flash the downloaded ROM. Reboot, you will be in this ROM. So hope you like this video. If you really did, hit the like button. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. Keep supporting. Thanks for watching. Peace.